The 3-day program will have a dedicated IR and INR stream. Our international and local faculty will present on a variety of topics, including embolotherapy for women's and men's health, as well as MSK pathologies. We'll be discussing the latest evidence on catheter-directed therapies for pulmonary emboli and DVT, of course interventional oncology and local regional therapies for liver and renal malignancies, and lastly we'll be having a session on management of complications of portal hypertension. In the INR stream, we'll be talking about established treatments for ischemic stroke, endovascular clot retrieval, as well as endovascular management of ruptured and unruptured intracranial aneurysms. The landmark trial supporting middle meningeal artery embolization for chronic subdural hematoma will be presented, as well as some more recent data available for chronic CSF leaks, as well as CSF venous fistulas. There will be opportunities to get your hands dirty on the variety of hands-on displays, and lastly, there's always time to network with your peers. We look forward to seeing you.